Hey everybody, my name is Rachel Brennan and I am MLC's Customer Success Expert. Most of y'all have probably heard by now about our customer success plans and all the exciting new features that come along with them. My job is to help you navigate and take full advantage of these new tools. One of my personal favorite additions to the success plans is access to SolidProfessor.com, an e-learning platform with thousands of hours of content. I've got it up on the screen here, so let's take a look at all it has to offer. The first thing I'm going to do is head into the courses. So SolidProfessor has so much more than just SolidWorks courses. There's Inventor, AutoCAD, Mastercam, GD&T, all the way into FEA and even Abacus tools. You have access to the entire library of courses, not just SolidWorks. Each course is structured in what's called a microlearning format, which means it's divided into lessons that are a maximum of 5 to 7 minutes long. This makes it easy to learn on your time, at your own pace, and keep track of where you are in the course. Down below, you'll see that you can take the course in whatever version of SolidWorks you are working in, and you can get a technical certificate from each course to add to your resume and LinkedIn. If you're running into a specific problem, you can type some keywords into the search bar and bring up lessons that specifically reference that issue. Not only will it tell you how to fix the problem, it'll also tell you why that problem occurs and how to prevent it from happening again in the future. There's so much more that this platform can do and ways to customize it that we'll cover in our onboardings, but if you're looking for a place to start, I would scroll down on the homepage to test your SolidWorks knowledge. You don't need a login to do this, and what it's going to do is bring up a couple options. You can test your skills or test your team, and it'll give you a couple tests, basic, advanced, or expert. I recommend taking at least advanced. With your results, you'll also get suggested lessons that you could take on SolidProfessor to give you a place to start. I look forward to meeting with all of you and getting you onboarded. And until then, happy learning.